Want to know the biggest mistake people make when buying a used car? It is not buying the wrong car. The biggest mistake most buyers make is shopping based only on the monthly payment instead of the total cost of ownership. That $399 per month deal might look incredible on the lot, but the sticker price is just the beginning of what you will actually pay. A lower monthly payment might seem like a great deal, but if that vehicle has expensive repairs, poor fuel economy, high insurance costs, or a long history of reliability issues, it could cost you thousands more over time. Those hidden costs stack up fast, and most buyers never see them coming until it is too late. Before buying any used car, research the most common mechanical problems associated with that specific make and model. Get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted independent mechanic. Pull a vehicle history report to uncover accidents, title issues, and service records. Then calculate what that vehicle will actually cost to own monthly, not just what the dealer is quoting you at the finance table. Repairs, insurance, fuel, and maintenance all need to factor into your decision. When you add those numbers together, a vehicle with a slightly higher monthly payment but lower ownership costs can actually save you significantly more money over the life of that car. That is the calculation most buyers skip entirely. The smartest car buyers do not just negotiate the price. They understand the real cost of owning the vehicle before they ever sign a single piece of paperwork. Follow MotorMav for honest car buying tips and straightforward automotive advice that actually protects your wallet. And now we want to hear from you. Have you ever bought a car that cost way more to own than you expected? Tell us what happened in the comments.